So what makes this example different from ones that we've seen in the past is that this has is a binomial, so it has two terms, but what we're multiplying it with is a trinomial, and we have not seen that before. So it can get a little bit messy. If you've watched the box method of this, I show you how to organize it using the box method a little bit differently. I say for problems like this, the box method is really strong. It's nice and easy to organize it. However, you do not have to use the box method. So I'm going to show you a way that we can multiply these two expressions just by using the distributive property. So we're going to start with this 2x, and I'm going to multiply it by everything in the other group. So we're going to take 2x times x squared. So that's 2, and there's no coefficient here, so we just keep the 2. And then x, this has a single x, this has two x's, so that's 1, 2, 3. So it's x to the third. Now we keep multiplying. Okay, and we have 2x times negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then we have 2 factors of x, so an exponent of 2. Keep going to the very end. 2x times 1, well, 2 times 1 is 2. And then that x, since there's no other x's here, we just keep that x down. All right, so that's all for the 2x. Now we have to deal with this 3. So we're going to take this 3 and multiply it with everything in this group. Again, we're going to take 3 times x squared, and that's going to be plus 3x squared. Now, here's a really nice way we can do this. It kind of combines the method that we have seen when we added polynomials. So I can actually say plus 3x squared. That's going to have an exponent of just 2. So I'm going to line it up with this exponent of 2. So it's going to be plus 3x squared. Now you're already lining up your like terms. So eventually when we combine them, we just add straight down like what we've seen in the past. Okay, so let's take this one. We have 3 times negative 4x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And then that has an x. So we just have a single x. And look, those are like terms. They're already lined up. And then here, 3 times 1, both positive. So we have plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3. All right, we can go ahead and see if we can combine these like terms by just adding straight down. There's nothing here. That's like a 0. So we have 2x to the third. Negative 8 plus 3, right? These are like terms. So negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5x squared. 2 minus 12. So 2 minus 12 is negative 10. And just the x's stay the same. And then this plus 3, well, there's nothing else. So just plus 3. And this is your expression. There you go. That's how to do a binomial times a trinomial. And then this kind of combines the vertical method that we used when we added polynomials. It's kind of the same idea. There you go.